1. Ginger reduces chest inflammation. Make a warm ginger tea, include it in meals, or simply chew on dried slices. 2. Garlic, potent healing properties. Eating fresh garlic can help fight the bronchitis virus. But if the taste is too strong, consider garlic capsules. 3. Turmeric contains antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Sprinkle it on salads, mix with honey, or brew as a tea. 4. Steam helps clear mucus. Breathe in steam from a hot shower or a bowl of hot water. 5. Salt water. Gargling can soothe a sore throat. Mix a teaspoon of salt in warm water, gargle, then spit it out. 6. Sleep. Rest helps recovery. Deep sleep enhances immune function, aiding in fighting inflammation. 7. Healthy habits. Avoid smoking, steer clear of polluted areas, eat healthily, exercise, and maintain hand hygiene. 8. Honey and lemons. Great for sore throats. Honey's antimicrobial properties can reduce cough duration. Mix with lemon in tea for added benefits. 9. Pineapple juice contains bromelain, which reduces inflammation and helps clear mucus. 10. Thyme, shown to improve cough symptoms. The herb's essence offers anti-inflammatory and antiseptic benefits.